In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Workspace sheet in Smartsheet. Before we start, make sure you're already logged in to your Smartsheet account and that you have access to the workspace you want to export. Also, ensure you have the right permissions. If you're not an admin or don't have sufficient rights, you may not see some of the options I'll mention. First, locate and click on the workspace that contains the sheet you want to export. You'll usually find your workspaces in the left-hand panel, where your folders, favorites, and recent items appear. Click the correct workspace name to open it and display all the sheets and items stored there. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple workspaces with similar names. Next, find the specific sheet you want to backup or export. Once you see it, look for the three dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu, usually located to the right of the sheet name. Click on these three dots. This menu is where Smartsheet keeps additional actions for that sheet, including backup and export options. From the menu that appears, click on Backup Now. This tells Smartsheet that you want to create a backup of that sheet from the workspace. Depending on your setup and plan, this backup is typically generated as a downloadable file or a package that you can save outside Smartsheet. This is especially helpful if you need an offline copy, want to store it in another system, or just need an extra layer of protection. After selecting Backup Now, follow the on-screen prompts. Smartsheet may ask you to confirm the backup, choose a location, or specify a format depending on how your environment is configured. Read each prompt carefully and proceed step by step, making sure you're choosing the options that match how and where you want the backup stored. If a progress indicator appears, give it a moment to complete. Larger sheets can take a bit longer. Once your backup or export is ready, you may want to share it or confirm that others have access. To do that directly within Smartsheet, click on the Share button associated with the sheet. From there, you can adjust who has access to the sheet itself or to the workspace, depending on your needs. This is useful if you're coordinating with teammates who also need to use the exported information or verify the backup. And that's it. By clicking into the workspace, using the three-dot menu, selecting Backup Now, following the prompts, and then using the Share option, you've successfully exported your workspace sheet in Smartsheet.